Hello, New Apple Times here, welcome to a new video. And as you may have seen, I bought a 10.5-inch iPad Pro. If you didn't, you can see it wherever it is. And what is the perfect accessory for the iPad Pro than the Apple Pencil? So today we are unboxing and reviewing the Apple Pencil. So let's get to it. Okay, so here is the Apple Pencil, and now this is the box. It says Apple Pencil on both sides and anything on the top nor the bottom. So yep, it doesn't have an easy opener, so we will have to... Oh, actually it does. So that's nice. Or it doesn't. No, it doesn't look like. So we will have to cut this off. Okay, now it has an easy opener. So you can remove the plastic, I won't right now, and you pull here and it slides off. So, designed by Apple in California, I really knew that. And inside we get an extra tip, just in case the one included gets worn out, and the adapter to charge it into with a lightning cable. So that's nice. Apple Pencil explains the functionality and all that. It's quite bright actually, but I think you can see it, and all the warranty information. Underneath that we do get the Apple Pencil, which is pretty nice. It's all wrapped in plastic as usual, but if we remove it, wow, it looks so great. So there you are. So shiny, new, and of course it's actually nice weight balance. I like it. So yep, the cap does remove and reveal the lightning port. You will charge it by plugging it on your iPad or on the lightning port using the adapter. Here is the Apple Pencil branding, and the pen is magnetized so that it will always stay without rolling, with the Apple Pencil branding pointing up top. So yep, this is the Apple Pencil. Now we will have to test it with the iPad. So let's go. Okay, so here's the iPad Pro and here's the Apple Pencil, and now we're going to jump straight into the Notes app, and here we have a new app. I'm going to extend it, and here we can draw. So this is pretty much like a regular pencil. I can type something, for example, and pretty much you cannot notice any lag at all. And yes, you can write as big as you want. And the best part about it is that you can erase everything and leave no trace. So that's pretty great. Also, starting from iOS 11, if you just press on the lock screen, you will be taken straight into a note, and you can start typing here whatever you want. You can also change the color, and yeah. Now, if there are many other Apple Pencil apps, such as Nebo, if you want to take notes. This one's especially useful for me because it allows you to add maths and transform them into regular writing. So for example, if I type the integer of x squared and I double tap it, I get it right there, and that's pretty handy. Other thing is Notability, which is great. You can create a new note, and here it has a lot of things. You can change the paper type and all that, but I will cover all of this more deeply in a dedicated video of Apple Pencil for students, so do stay tuned to that. So yeah, as for the Apple Pencil testing, this is pretty much everything I wanted to show you. So yeah, let's go on in the video. Okay, so this has been my unboxing on the Apple Pencil. I really do think it's a great accessory, that it's a must for every iPad Pro owners, and now also the iPad 2018, because especially if you're a student or a creator, it's just opens so many possibilities. So yeah, if you have any questions about it, please leave them down below and I will do my best to answer. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more iPad Pro and Apple related content, and to follow me on my Instagram account. Link will be down below. So yeah, thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Bye!